Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss question of science second given by Maharashtra government. So the first question is question number first A, choose the correct option. So the first one is transfer of information from molecules of DNA to mRNA is called dash process. First option is translocation, second translation, third transcription and fourth differentiation. So the correct option is transcription. The transfer of information from molecule of DNA to mRNA is called as transcription process. Second question, similarities in initial stage indicate the dash evidence. We have already seen the pictures of all the given species in textbook have same zygotic stage or embryonic stage in first trimester, means first 3 months. So the condition or the correct option is embryological. Similarities in initial stage indicate the embryological evidence. Third question, dash is the vestigial organ in human being. So the options are wisdom teeth, ear muscles, body hair, all the above. So we know that wisdom teeth, ear muscles, body hair, appendix are the vestigial organ of human being as well as coccyx bone. So the correct option is option D, that is all the above. Fourth question, protein located in bone is dash. So the options are myosin, melanin, hemoglobin or oosin. So the correct option is option D, that is option oosin. Protein located in bone is known as oosin or oosin. Fifth number question, which of the following vitamin is necessary for synthesis of NADH2? So options are vitamin B3, vitamin C, vitamin B2, vitamin K. So the correct option, the vitamin B2 is necessary for synthesis of NADH2. So the next question is 6 number. Dash cells divide by mitosis. So the correct options are first option somatic cell, gametic cell, stem cell or both A and C. So the correct option is somatic cell and stem cells divide by mitosis and gametic cells divide by meiosis. So the correct option is option A, somatic cell and stem cell. Next, 7th number question. The first step of karyokinesis is. So the first step of karyokinesis is prophase. As we know, karyokinesis begins from prophase. What is meant by karyokinesis? Karyokinesis means the division of nuclear material. Karyon means nucleus, it belongs to nucleus. So karyokinesis means the division of nucleus and the first step of division of nucleus is prophase. Next, 8th number question is dash is not a part of mitosis. So as we know, mitosis have anaphase, prophase, cytokinesis, but anaphase does not has diplotin stage. So the correct option is option B, that is diplotin is not a part of mitosis. Next, 9 number question, we get dash energy from lipids. So the correct option is 9 kilocalorie per gram. We get 9 kilocalorie per gram energy from lipids. Next, number question. In humans, there are dash pairs of chromosome. As we know, we have total 46 chromosome, but here the question is dash pairs of chromosome. So we are going to write option B is the correct option. Means we have total 23 pairs of chromosome, and if we count single, then it is 46 chromosomes. Next, 11th number question. Which of the following is not a type of asexual reproduction in multicellular organism? So the correct option is binary fission, because in multicellular organism fragmentation occur, regeneration occur, budding occur, but does not occur binary fission. So binary fission is a not type of asexual reproduction in multicellular organisms. Next 12 number question. Next 12 number question is find the odd one out. So this options are stigma, anther, style and ovary. So we know that stigma, style, ovary is the part of gynoecium, means female reproductive system in plants, and anther is a male reproductive part. So the correct option is anther. It is a odd one here. Question number 13. At the time of birth, there are dash oocytes in the ovary of female fetus. So if we are going to discuss about it, so the options are 1 to 2 million, option B 2 to 3 million, option C 2 to 4 millions, and option D none of this. So the correct option is here 2 to 4 millions. At the time of birth, there are 2 to 4 million oocytes in the ovary of a female fetus. Question number 14. Dash modern remedial techniques is used if there is a problem in implantation of embryo in the uterus. Means now the options are surrogacy, sperm bank, in vitro fertilization, option D none of these. So the correct option is if there is a problem in implantation of embryo in the uterus, then surrogacy is a remedial technique. Surrogacy, modern remedial technique, is used if there is a problem in implantation of embryo in the uterus. Question number 15. Implantation of embryo occur in dash. So the implantation of embryo occur in the uterus. Question number 16. In humans, sperm production occur in the organ dash. In humans, sperm production occur in the organ called as testes. 17th number question. A pregnant mother supplies nourishment to her fetus through dash. Options are uterus, placenta, ovary, oviduct. So the correct option is placenta. A pregnant woman supplies nourishment to her fetus through placenta. 18th number question. Dash twins are formed from a single embryo. So if you are going to discuss dizygotic, monozygotic, multizygotic or zygote. So the correct option is monozygotic twins are formed from a single embryo. 19th number question. Pollen grains are formed by dash division in the locus of anther. So the options are meiosis, mitosis or mitosis binary. So the pollen grains are formed by meiosis division in locus of anther, because meiosis is a process in which sexual or the gametic cells are produced. So the correct option is option A, meiosis. Question number 20. The next question, question number 20 is asexual reproduction occur by dash cell division. So the options are mitotic division, meiotic division, fertilization or double fertilization. So we know that asexual reproduction occur by mitotic cell division. So the correct option is option A, mitotic. Question number 21. This method of asexual reproduction is seen in paramecium. So which type of asexual reproduction is seen in a paramecia? So we are going to see the options: transverse binary fission, longitudinal binary fission, simple binary fission, regeneration. So the correct option is option A, that is transverse binary fission. Next, 22nd question. In meiosis, the number of chromosomes become dash. So the options are multiple time, triple, half, double. In meiosis we know it is a reductional type of cell division. So the correct option is option C, that in meiosis the number of chromosome becomes half, means get reduced. 23 number question. Generally, every mouth dash ovum is released in a abdominal cavity alternately from each ovary. So, generally every month one ovum is released in abdominal cavity alternately from each ovary. Okay. 24th number question. Dash is present in unisexual flower. So the options are both androecium and gynoecium, only androecium, only gynoecium, or androecium or gynoecium. So the correct option is option D. Either androecium or gynoecium is present in unisexual flower. So the correct option is option D, androecium or gynoecium. Next, 25th number question. Dash is a chemical factor of abiotic component. So the options are air, water, nutrients, sunlight. So the correct one is nutrients. Nutrient is a chemical factor of abiotic components. Now 26th number question. Dash is an organic compound of abiotic component. So the correct option is protein. Means options are given protein, iron, sodium, oxygen, but the correct option is protein is organic compound of abiotic component. Now the 27th number question is dash is a rare species. The options are laser, florican, tiger, giant squirrel, musk deer. So the correct option is option D, that is musk deer. Musk deer is a rare species. 28 number question. Dash is an indeterminate species. So the options are red panda, lion, lion-tailed monkey, giant squirrel. So the correct option is option D, that is giant squirrel is an indeterminate species. Now 29th number question. Occurrence of diversity among the organism of the same species is dash diversity. Option is species, genetic, ecosystem, or last one is animal. So occurrence of diversity among the organism of the same species is called genetic diversity. So 30 number question is, in modern civilization, dash has become a primary need. So options are food, cloth, shelter, energy. So in modern civilization, energy has become a primary need. So the correct option is option D. So in this manner we have completed total 30 question in this video, and in our next video we are going to discuss further questions. So we have total 79 questions. So we are going to complete this 79 questions in our next video. So thank you friends for watching my video.